In this video, we'll show you a new feature in DesignerLogic's Web Clipper where you can add a product from a website as a component to an existing item that you have in your project. For example, if you have a dining set on a project and you want to add chairs as a component to that dining set, you can now easily do that with the Web Clipper. So first you want to navigate to the website page that has the product on it, open up DesignerLogic's Clipper, and then we add all the information just like we do to a normal product clip, where we just highlight or right click on an image and we go down and we choose it as the main image, and we can add many other images as additional images, which is also a new feature on the Web Clipper. And we'll just do that real quick. Add a few extra images here so you can see what that looks like. And here you can see all these images are over here. Now we're going to add some of the product information by just highlighting it, right-clicking on it, and going down and deciding where it goes from the menu here. For example, $900 could be a retail price. Down here, we will put dimensions in. We're going to add that right here. Right-click on that. Go down to dimensions, and you can add a lot of different data to different parts of it. But this video shows how to add this as a component. So what we do is we want to first choose the project that it goes on, and second, the area that it goes into, which in this case is a dining room. And then right here, this component of field is where we can add it as a component of another item that's already in your project. So this is going to go on this or with this dining table. So we choose that right there. And then we just fill out the rest of this information as needed. And we'll come down and quickly fill out the financials. So you get a 30% discount, you have a 50% markup. Choose that, it's taxable. And then down here we choose restoration hardware for the vendor. And we can choose an install goal or type that in if you want to, track it, etc. Then we just add that to DesignerLogic. And what that looks like, if we go to, this is the dining table right here in that dining set. If we refresh this page, it has the new information on it. And if we click on components for this table, you can see here are the dining chairs that we have right here. And if we go to the details for that chair, it opens up the chair with its additional images right here, all updated, and you can see all the information about the chair that we clipped. And if we go to spec print, you can print out that information a bunch of different ways, and you can click on it to see the additional images. And if you want to go back to the main image of where it says component of, just hit the main image's name, and it takes you right back to the table. And that's how you clip items from the web to use as components for other items on projects in DesignerLogic.